cost estimates, and prepayments. After you schedule an appointment and our team checks your insurance plan, we will create a cost estimate. This will give you an idea of how much your child's appointment or procedure might cost. Since cost estimates are created before a scheduled procedure or appointment, they are not available for emergency room or urgent care visits. The estimate will be sent to you by text, email, and MyChart. You can also call us at 720-777-0720 or use our online cost estimate tool. Our estimates are based on planned care and services as well as your insurance plan. Your estimate will show your deductible, co-insurance, prepay, out-of-pocket maximum, and any expected services that are not covered by your insurance plan. It's important to know that these are just approximate costs. Your actual bill may be different. We do our best to give you as accurate an estimate as possible, but sometimes the care your child needs is different than what we estimate. The exact amount you pay is based on the actual services your child gets during a visit, not the estimate. If we know ahead of time that your services will be different than planned, we will update your estimate. Estimates only include costs from Children's Colorado. Our doctors are employed by University of Colorado Medicine, so you will need to get a separate estimate from them by calling 303-493-7700 or emailing patientestimates@cumedicine.us. During your child's visit, a registrar will give you the option to make a prepayment based on your insurance plan. This can happen either at check-in or through MyChart. This process can be confusing, so our team is here to help. We are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can call us at 720-777-0720 or email cost.estimate@childrenscolorado.org.